Asset and property trading. What is involved within the property trading process? The process of trading your property or your assets can be quite complex. On the other hand, this process is usually far more simplified than buying and selling properties and assets in the regular non-trading market. Let's look at the process of making a property trade in this instance to outline the basics that are involved in the transaction. Those who work in the sphere of property trading are considered to be as people who can do a lot of things with property, and it is naive to think that property trading means only deals which presupposes buying and selling different types of property. Property trading means you may be able to finance new property purchases out of sales of your own current properties, or swaps. This form of financing is an excellent alternative to bank financing, which can be difficult to obtain. In today's challenging economic environment, investors are realizing that conserving their cash is a prudent way to protect the future growth of their company/investments. The trading transaction operates along the lines of a small bank. The trader usually issues its own form of currency, cashless trading card usually, which may be used to trade goods and services with any other trade member. The trading currency and the value of your swaps are recorded as a book entry, with cashless debits and credits. The added advantage is an immediate increase in cash flow achieved when you trade for an expense that would otherwise be paid for in cash. The savings generated by using your trade card increase your profit, and your cash is released for alternative business expenditure. So how do you find the property you want in the swap? Computerized inventory run by the trading company will list local, national and international swaps you are eligible to make. Members swap and trade requests and quickly responded to, and, if possible, the paperwork for the trade is filled out and completed virtually overnight. Remember, once the trade is complete and the property assets are swapped, it is very difficult to regain ownership of your original property. The transaction will take care of all title transfers, etc. If you are unsure if this type of transaction suits your real estate or asset investment needs, ensure that you check twice with your legal and financial advisors and heed their professional advice. My knowledge tips. 1. The process of trading your property or your assets can be quite complex. 2. On the other hand, this process is usually far more simplified than buying and selling properties and assets in the regular non-trading market. 3. The trading transaction operates along the lines of a small bank. 4. The trader usually issues its own form of currency, cashless trading card usually, which may be used to trade goods and services with any other trade member.